Listen, I don't know if you can hear it, but you can actually hear that snow falling. I'm wondering if it has a little ice in there with it. I know the wind's blowing quite a bit. Ooh. It's cold. That looks kind of like hominy snow. See it laying there in the grass? Yeah. Snow. Real fine. Like it's mixed up with something. The car's getting covered with it again. So I guess this is the second part of the snowstorm that we had yesterday. Had a lot of ice and rain and stuff, and the rain looks like it's melted some of it off, plus they came up through here this morning scraping. Oh, look at the little birds over in the road. You see the little birdies? Look there. Ah, it's cute. Hopping around, I guess, trying to find a last minute meal. Would you look at that? A pure whiteout again. Boy, are we ever getting it. Look at that. Snowing, snowing, snowing here in Wolfpen. Look at this. See there? It's burning it up. Beautiful, but cold and dangerous, and can't get out on the road. Oozy. It's just getting deeper and deeper. Whew. And cold. Looks like almost a pure blizzard. But this is what it looks like today. Watch out, don't blow it in her face. Your baby. Is that snow still scrunchy? Is that snow still crunchy?
It is.
Sounds like it is. Crunching. And here's what it looks like. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? An absolute winter wonderland going on again today. And this is Wednesday. And they actually wasn't given for any today, but now all of a sudden we've got snow. And they upped it to 60% today. The temperature has finally rose up to 19 degrees. And I think it's supposed to be like 10 degrees tonight. So we're looking at some cold temperatures. And then Friday, I believe we're supposed to get maybe 3 to 6 or 4 to 8. It's something like that. It's some kind of a storm system coming in, and supposed to last, I think, till about Saturday morning or Saturday evening, something like that. But look at that. Isn't that beautiful? There's a little creek going by. I think it's gorgeous. Folks, this is what wintertime's all about here in these mountains. It's a beautiful time, but it's so cold and so dangerous. You know, to be out on the road or anything. Those little snowbirds. flying around, I guess, trying to find them a few little seeds in the snow. Look at that one over there. How pretty. It's a little snowbird. There it is, see? Look at that. They're pretty. Little birdie. But anyway, I wanted to show a little update on it. Show you what we're dealing with here in Wolfpen Creek. Alright, I'll talk at you later. Alright everyone, check this out now. This is just trying to snow. The snowstorm for Friday has officially begun. It's just now starting to pour down, as you can see, and check this out, we already have like, I'm going to guess 3 or 4 inches already on the ground. So look at all this fresh stuff that's now coming down. So this is around 12-ish, maybe a little more than that. So we're going to see how much we actually get out of this. But for the most part, look at that. I mean, it is kind of fine looking. Let's look towards that house and you can see better. It's kind of fine looking, but you can see these tracks I made out through here the other day. They're all but non-existent. Here's what snow's already, you know, caked up on the step, so we'll see what happens after that. And I'm hoping this one will be kind of like a wet snow, because I truly do still want to make that snowman, if at all possible. So we'll see. I might even make it a community project. Who knows? See, I mean, I can get involved in it. Okay, check back with you a little later. Okay, going to check see if the snow is snowman. I believe it is. Look at that. Ah, a little bit more and we can build a snowman. All right, yes. Okay. I guess I need to first start rolling me up now. I don't know if Rick's going to help me or not. Get out first. Let's see. This person just has to first roll it all up. Take it. I don't know if that's going to work or not. I probably need like a shovel or something to pick it up. Yeah, might be a little too light and fluffy. We'll see. Had to abandon my project. Lungs started hurting right away. I don't know if it's something in this cold air or what, but boy, lungs can't stand it. Started aching right off the bat. I'm sorry. I really was looking forward to building me a pretty snowman, something I've not done in many, many, many years. But if you can't, you can't. And my lungs are just not gonna let me do it this time. Okay, as the snow gets a little deeper, I guess I'll be back out to check again later. Talk to you later. Everybody look this morning. Look how deep. Check out these steps. Look at that. That's on top of what we already had. I'm guessing maybe 8 inches or closer to a foot, I guess. But it is deep. Look right there, completely covered up. Came a doozy. Snowed all night long last night. So you can see how deep it is. Very, very deep. They came up while ago scraping the road, so I don't know, but check this right here out. Look up here. Just look at this. Icicles. How neat is that? Ooh, look on up through here. Look at that. That's icicles. All right then. Talk to you later. Everybody look this morning. Look how deep. Check out these steps. Look at that. That's on top of what we already had. I'm guessing maybe 8 inches or closer to a foot, I guess. But it is deep. Look right there, completely covered up. Came a doozy. Snowed all night long last night. So you can see how deep it is. Very, very deep. They came up while ago scraping the road, so I don't know, but check this right here out. Look up here. Just look at this. Icicles. How neat is that? Ooh, look on up through here. Look at that. That's icicles. All right then. Talk to you later.